think my first reaction to the fact that student visa appointments are being paused was very numbing.
And as some more news from the United States, amid Donald Trump government tightening immigration laws, a new visa rule has now come into place for foreign students.
Last year, more than 3.6 lakh Indian students went to United States for higher studies. Yes, India is the largest source of international students in the US, but because of multiple recent news, many aspirants are left confused. Headlines say that US visa rules will be changing, F1 visa slots will be limited, strict visa interviews, new stringent social media vetting rules for student visas are applicable now. So the big question is it still possible to get a US student visa in 2026? And if yes, what is the correct way to apply? In this video, I will explain everything about US F1 visa in a very simple language. By the end of this video, you will know what exactly is F1 visa, pre-application checklist, step-by-step visa process, and secret tips to get your visa faster. So if your dream is to study in USA, watch this video till the end because one small mistake can lead to your US visa rejection. What is F1 visa? The F1 visa is a student visa given by the US. It allows international students to study in American universities and colleges. If you want to study bachelor's degree, master's degree, MBA, PhD and language programs, you will need a valid F1 visa. Pre-application checklist. You cannot apply for an F1 visa directly. Before you begin the visa application process, you must have the following documents. First, you must have an offer letter from a US university. With over 4,000 universities in the US, students have many options, but your course should align with your academic background. Visa officers often check whether your program shows a clear career progression. For example, a BTech student typically chooses fields like data science or computer science, while a BCom graduate may pursue MBA, finance or business analytics. If your course doesn't match your previous studies, it can raise questions during the visa interview. So you must be able to clearly justify the transition. Choosing a program that fits your career goals can significantly strengthen your visa case. Number 2. I-20 form. Once the university accepts you, they will give you your I-20 form. It is provided by the service. The form includes your service ID number, which is a number in the upper corner above the barcode, usually starts with an N. I-20 form confirms that you have been admitted to the university and the university has reviewed your financial ability to study. After receiving the I-20, you can pay the service fee and then apply for your F1 visa interview. Number 3. Service fee receipt. All new students coming in F1 status must pay a one-time service fee prior to applying for your visa and must submit the service fee receipt as part of their application. The fee is around $350, which is approximately 32,000 INR, paid through the official portal I-901 service fee payment website managed by the US Department of Homeland Security. Keep the payment receipt safe. The service fee payment is generally valid for 12 months for visa issuance as long as your service ID remains the same. However, if you change your university, you will receive a new service ID. For this, you will need to pay the service fee again. And if you are renewing your F1 visa, it is recommended that you have the proof of service fee payment even though it does not have to be paid again, as long as you are using the same service record. Number 4. Dependent I-20 form. If your spouse or children are traveling with you on an F2 visa, they will receive their own dependent I-20 forms. Each dependent has a separate service number, but you don't have to pay an additional service fee for them. When to apply for F1 visa? You must apply for your visa well in advance of your arrival, as it can take several weeks and occasionally longer to obtain the F1 student visa. Let's talk about the step-by-step process to apply for US F1 visa. Step 1. Fill DS-160 form. The first step while applying for a US visa is the online application DS-160. In this form, you provide personal details, which now also includes your social media handles, education history, university information. Once completed, download the confirmation page. It is important to understand that you are ultimately responsible for the accuracy of information you provide in this form. You will need to create an account in CGI portal on which you will need to proceed with the next steps. Step 2. Pay visa fees. Now pay the visa application fee. Currently it is around $185, which is approximately 17,000 INR. After payment, you can book your visa slot for interview. Step 3. Book your visa interview. The next step in applying for a US visa is making an appointment at your closest US embassy or consulate. There are 2 appointments. First, biometric appointment. Students must visit the visa application center to provide fingerprints. All 10 fingerprints are taken digitally. Digital photograph. A photo is captured at the Center for Visa Records. Basic document check. VAC staff only verify identity documents like passport, DS-160 confirmation page, which is optional, VAC appointment confirmation. Second appointment is the visa interview at the US Embassy. At the embassy, a visa officer will ask you questions. A student visa interview will be short around 5 minutes, but these minutes decide your future. Step 4. Attend interview. During the interview, the questions will be focused on your academic plans and how they connect to your future career goals. Officers are also looking at how you plan to pay your education and living expenses. You should be ready to explain in your own words why you choose the particular university and how your studies will advance your career goals. It is critical to highlight that in the long run you desire to return to your home country. Ensure to carry all important documents: a valid passport, I-20 form, offer letter, a copy of your financial support documents, academic documents, service fee receipt, visa fee receipt, DS-160 confirmation page, appointment letter, passport size photographs that you uploaded in the DS-160 application. In addition to all the documents, PhD students in STEM would also need to submit their CV, which includes a list of your publications. Their university academic advisor CV includes a list of their publications. 3. A research plan that indicates what you will study and the focus of your research at the university. After your visa interview, 3 things can happen. Your visa can be approved, rejected, or you might get 221G. Now what is 221G? It simply means the embassy needs additional checks. In many cases, they may even review your social media, and the usual turnaround time is around 7 days. And that is the moment every student waits for. Step 5. Receive and review your entry visa. Congratulations, your visa has arrived. But in haste, don't miss to check if all the information on it is correct. In case of incorrect information, get it rectified at the embassy or consulate that issued your visa. Also, your I-20 should be returned to you. You will need it to enter the US. Now let me share some very important tips which can increase your visa approval chances. Tip 1. Know your course clearly. The officer may ask, why did you choose this course? What are your long-term and short-term plans? Your answer should be clear and logical. Tip 2. Show strong financial proof. You must prove that you can afford 1 year tuition fees and living expenses. Tip 3. Be honest. Never give fake answers. Visa officers are highly trained. They can detect wrong information very quickly. Tip 4. Be confident but simple. Speak clearly. Short answers are better than long explanations. Confidence matters a lot. Tip 5. Explain your future plans. The officer wants to know, will you return after studies? Explain your intent of coming back to your home country and your career plans in India. Thousands of Indian students go to US every year, but the difference between visa approval and rejection is often just preparation. If you understand the process clearly and prepare your answers honestly, your chances of getting the F1 visa becomes much higher. Now I want to ask you something. Would you choose the USA for studies in 2026? Or are you planning to study in countries like Germany, Canada or Australia? Comment below and tell me about your dream country. I will cover that country's visa process in the next video.